Alex, a corporate worker, commutes to work daily using public transportation. One day, he decides to purchase a car to save time and energy. The following day, he invests all his savings in a luxurious petrol vehicle. However, the issue arises post-purchase as he needs to allocate nearly 30% of his income towards fuel and maintenance. Each time he looks at the car, he regrets for not buying a cost-effective electric vehicle with minimal charging and maintenance expenses. Hey everyone, today, we're tackling a topic that affects everyone. Making decisions. We all face choices, big and small, and figuring out the right one can feel overwhelming. But fear not. By following some simple steps, you can become a decision-making pro. Let's meet Sarah. She's just graduated with a degree in graphic design. Her dream job is at a creative agency downtown, but a stable position at a local firm has also offered her a role. Both are great opportunities, but they offer different experiences and career paths. Sarah's stuck. Should she chase her dream or prioritize security? Here are some steps for making an informed decision. 1. Gather information. The first step to a good decision? Gather as much information as possible. In Sarah's case, this means researching both companies, their work cultures, and growth opportunities. Talking to employees at each place can also be insightful. The more she knows, the clearer the picture becomes. Now comes the classic pro and con list. List out the pros and cons of each job offer. For example, the creative agency might offer exciting projects but less stability, while the local firm might have a clear career path but feel less stimulating. 2. Consider your values. But decisions aren't just about facts. What matters most to Sarah? Does she crave creativity and self-expression, or is stability and a good work-life balance a priority? Understanding your values helps guide your choice. Sometimes, the best decision is to take a step back. Don't rush. Sleeping on it, talking to a trusted friend, or even taking a walk to clear your head can give you valuable perspective. After gathering information, considering her values, and taking some time to reflect, Sarah makes her choice. She chooses the creative agency, excited about the chance to unleash her creativity. 3. Embrace the unknown. Remember, the future is uncertain. There's no guarantee either path will be perfect. But by making an informed decision based on your values and the information you have, you'll be well equipped to handle whatever comes next. So, the next time you face a difficult decision, remember these steps. Gather information, consider your values, don't be afraid to take time, and embrace the unknown. With a little planning and self-awareness, you'll be making the right decisions at the right time, just like Sarah. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more helpful content.